Hey, welcome to the channel. This is the first video I'm posting on YouTube, but this is actually sort of a channel I'm making as a sister to a channel I started in late September on Ticker.tv. But Ticker.tv is sort of like an attempt to be like Twitch, but it's not marketed well. A lot of people don't know about it, and so I'm gonna start posting videos here. And this first, what I want to point out is this is a chart of gold in dollars, and if I obviously it's been in a massive bear market, but what you notice if you look at this weekly, I know the candlesticks all look weird, but if you look, you saw this break higher above these highs. That's the first sign that this bear market may be over, and based on this, I would expect people to start buying somewhere in this fib 618, like 382 to like 786 area. It happened roughly at the 786. If I draw a fib, you can sort of see that right at the 764 fib. It's just before the 786. And what's important to identify is first of all, this started turning once on its hourly chart. This high got broken. See that high? Once that high got broken, where my arrow is, it signaled this is no longer trending down like it was before. And now that it's reached 1200, there's a very good chance of a pullback somewhere from these low 1200s. But you can see basically it's like Russian dolls. It's like one smaller doll within a bigger doll within a bigger doll. It goes up, trending down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now it's a higher high for the first time and a higher low forming. So, and any pullback in this of some decent degree, I'm going to look for changes back up, and I'm going to look to start longing it. What's even more important in validating that this bear market is likely over now on a long-term basis is silver was also trending down in a similar way, obviously, and as from close to $50. But on this move up, silver on this daily chart broke these prior highs at around 1720, just barely, but it did break. And because of that, if this pulls back, or when this pulls back, buyers are going to come in larger number than they would have, and bears are not going to want to continue shorting right here where bulls would buy. Okay, and you could say, well, are those bears really thinking that? Because I'm not thinking that. Well, I mean, it depends on how long you've been trading, but if you're actually a good trader, you would know not to sell at support, meaning where people want to buy, and this is where people want to buy, not just because of these lows or because it's a fib, but because of that higher high. It increases the chances dramatically that people are going to look to buy there. So anywhere that starts to pull, I'm going to look for a change of trend to the upside and look for longs, and I'll be posting videos of trades that I'm going to take and setups before they happen so that you can watch them and actually make assessments of whether or not you'd like to follow along, or just see how they turn out. But I actually made a video a few weeks ago about the possible end of this bear market based on gold initially breaking higher a while back, and on that hourly chart I showed you before, when on this 4-hour chart, when this high was broken over here. You can check it if you go to ticker.tv. My username is jcho710, jcho710, and you can look back at prior videos I made. But now that that's happened, I have a high degree of confidence that the bear market is over, and I'm basically just going to start looking for long opportunities, and I'm basically going to have to watch it every day and like observe and do some try to see what's going on and deduct conclusions from that, to formulate trade plans that make sense and that are where I have a big advantage or a big edge, and for a particular direction, and then just writing that. Hopefully you'll follow along and subscribe the video or like it, and I'll come out with more. So Thanks a lot for watching.